Alright guys, I got something awesome. I recently went on eBay and I bought this device called a CronusMax. I have always wondered to use my Xbox One controller on my PS4. I've been hearing reviews about it, been seeing Twitch people use it, talking about it and saying it's the fucking tits, you gotta fucking get it. So I'm gonna try and find the box. 1 second. Alright, when you buy it, it'll come in a box like this. Just like this. I'm not going to do an unboxing video. There's really nothing to unbox. You literally just pull out the fucking... right there. That's it. That's my girlfriend sending me Snapchats. Alright. That's all that comes in it. Here's the meat and fucking potatoes of the entire device. I'm going to unplug it from my device. There it is. That's what it looks like. Literally all you do is you're going to plug this into your computer. After you download the software from CronusMax.com, whichever version you buy, all the software is the same. Once you download the software and you put it in, you're going to see where you can do some little twerks. I'm going to show you that in the video. Once I get to that point, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you how to install the mod. This fucking mod is retarded. I don't even know, like, everybody knows in Call of Duty Black Ops 3, the first pistol you get is like the best fucking pistol. It just kills people so quick. It's just intense. So imagine that, shooting 20 fucking rounds in like 1.5 seconds. That's just fucking stupid. This lets you do it. I mean, you literally just take this thing right here, you plug it in. Once it discovers your controller, it's going to show a 0 once you've had it initialized. In order to initialize it, you just plug it in for the first time, plug in your wherever the hell it is, you plug in your PS4 controller via USB, and once you do that, it's going to say authorized. Then you just unplug it, and then you start plugging in your fucking Xbox One controller. Because let's face it, the Xbox One controller is the best controller out of any game system. It just fits the best. I mean, it fits my hand better. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. But once it shows 0, it's going to be show 0. You're going to click it to whatever portion that you put it on. You're going to have like 1 out of 7 or 8. I can't remember off the top of my head. That'll also be in the back end of this video to show you. So stick around to see how to set the mod up. This is just the mod showing you how fucking dumb this is. You're going to click the little button right underneath of the LED of where the lights are. So it's going to say 0. I have mine on 3. 1, 2, 3 clicks, and it sets it to 3. I'm going to show you guys right here. You can see where it says... that's really bad fucking glare. See where it says 3. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to tell you it says 3. Now, sorry if you guys just got whiplash because of how shaky that was. I'm going to show you what this bad boy can do. This is fucking stupid. It should not be anywhere close to how crazy this shit is. I'm sorry I'm laughing so much. It's just like, I mean, you used to have to spend like fucking $200 or fucking $150 to get a modded controller, have it built, ship to the fucking house, and then only to find out that it's not gonna fucking work in like a month. You know, and that's like the most heartbreaking thing, is when you spend your hard-earned dough and then you find out a month later it's just not gonna fucking work anymore. I'm gonna join not an online game. That'll be after I show you on local play. We'll do custom game, and I'm just gonna start the game. That's all I'm gonna do. Just gonna start the game. This is intense, man. Just can't wait to show you guys. I hope that it has on a pre-made class the fucking pistol I'm trying to show you. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to back out and just fucking make a class or some shit. But I choose Nuketown because it's the smallest map, and not like I'm trying to find anybody, but it'd be just the easiest thing to do. I'm gonna adjust the mic again because I'm trying to find a good fucking. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. This is the Shiva. Now you can set it up for what is it? Your primary or your secondary. I have all of them set to 100. Now, if your gun is is an automatic, it's gonna make it to where it's not as fast. So I would say set the primary to about 50%, where it's at 0 to begin with, and I'll get to that later on in the video. Just watch this. God, ready? And this is gonna be me not stabilizing it. I'm literally gonna pull left trigger and push right trigger and watch how fast it goes and watch the accuracy. Ready? Go. That's a pretty good spread. That's just crazy, man. It's like, all right, we'll just. You literally have a spread like that. I mean, just. All right, watch this shit. We'll do the Dracon. All right, now we're going to do the Dracon. It's the semi-automatic sniper rifle. Watch, same thing. I am not going to stabilize the gun or any way. It's just going to be purely just pulling the fucking trigger, just scope in and pushing right here. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll get closer. That is the hole we made. The one hole. That's it. That's fucking stupid. Okay. We all know the dredge. We all know the dredge. The dredge, it's semi-automatic, LMG. It's a good gun, but the fire rate's a little slow. You know, it's like you kind of wish. See how this is a little choppy? It's because it's already a fast shooting gun and I have it upped up a little bit. So I'm thinking that I might tweak with the settings and see where I can set the primary at. But this is the dredge. Oh, the secondary. I don't know. Watch this. You ready? That's just... Guys, again, this is only a $60 little USB that takes just a couple seconds to just plug into your computer and just literally set. Now I'm going to do the same test. Pull the trigger in to scope right here and watch how tight this spread is. That's just stupid. That's just... I'm going to try this gun. I haven't tried. This one's going to be... It's still slow. I mean, it's just a slow shooting gun. This right here, though, I don't know how this is going to be. Oh, wow. Watch this shit. Same test. Ready? This is going to be the last gun that I show you. Already out of ammo. That's just crazy. Alright, now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get into the portion of the video where I show you guys how to just set this up and get this mod going without having to do any type of in-depth tweaks or hitting the buttons and having to cycle through selection mods. It's just a pre-built mod and a Black Ops 3 package that comes with the software that you download once you do your firmware updates. Alright guys. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be showing you is how to set up your CronusMax and put on the Call of Duty Black Ops 3, what is it, fucking, your mod pack. It's just really simple. A couple things you need, not much. Of course you're going to need the CronusMax. I'm going to unplug it from my system. There it is. All you really have to do is just, I'm going to unplug my mouse, it's going to make a little beep. All you gotta do is you take this, plug it into your computer, easy peasy, and once it plugs in, you're good to go. It's actually not how you do it, so forgive me. I'm still figuring this shit out. I want to cut that out. You take this right here, all you do is you plug in the USB cord they gave you, and then you plug in your CronusMax This little tiny piece right here. We're going to plug that cord straight into that piece, and then it's going to start doing some crazy freaking weird things like this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close that up, and we're going to go ahead and open up the Cronus Pro. Very easy device to work with. Once you open it up, it's going to load. Mine's loading so bad right now for the simple fact is I'm rendering a video on game capture, and I'm also trying to record on OBS. So, CronusMax, here it is, Cronus Pro. Unable to retrieve data from server. We're going to try that again. I don't know why it's not retrieving any of the data. It's very odd. Okay. We're going to go ahead and just forget about that. What we're going to do is we're going to go up to plugins. You have to install these plugins. Very easy. You just go to plugin manager right where my cursor is, and it gives you every single one. Before you do any of that, though, I need you to go to Tools, go to Cronus, go to Firmware Update. You're going to do Cronus Update and then Firmware Update. Make sure you update the firmware on your device first before you try and put any plugin in. That way you are on the latest firmware. Once that is done, just go to Programmer. And see right here where I have my Xbox One to PS4. That's the initial one. That's just a regular, me being able to use my Xbox One controller on my PS4. Very simple to use. I made one for Xbox One to 360. You can make your own profile for each one. And here is that beautiful Black Ops 3 script that I was telling you about, the game pack, where the game packs are all going to be loaded right here. I'm going to try and refresh. There we go. Alright, there's all the game packs. Now what we do is, you see right about here, Black Ops 3. All you do is you just drag it over to right here, and when you drag it over, right, I'm going to drag it to this slot right here and show you. It brings up this little window. In-game button layout. I like mine on tactical. If you don't, then, you know. My name's Ricky Bobby, and if you don't chew Big Red, then fuck you. Here it is, primary rapid fire. I'm going to turn this one up to 80. It's on pulse rapid fire. I want mine to be on optimized rapid fire for my secondary. Primary, I want to be on optimized rapid fire, but optimized is going to be your best setting, your best bet to do, because when it's on optimized, it's going to actually be trying to reach the max that the game will let you, so you're not trying to go past the max of the game. It's not going to be all choppy and shitty. Now, of course, we're going to go straight up to 100. Oh my gosh, we'll go up to 200 for secondary. So we're going to see how this one works out. I accidentally move my cursor. We'll go to optimize rapid fire. Fire mode. We'll do anti-recoil mod. Yes, it has an anti-recoil mod. We'll enable the anti-recoil mod. We'll do the weight adjustment parameter. We'll put it up to about 60. Quick scope mod, we're going to, I guess, we'll put it up to less than 140 milliseconds. That's not too bad. Quick scope parameter, we're going to keep that. I'm not going to screw with that. Sniper breath, we're going to leave that alone. We're going to leave sniper breath. Auto sprint, easy double jump, and we're not going to mess with any more of that. Now, once we do all that, we're going to hit close and just show everything's in there. We're good to go. We hit program device. And you see right there, run script, rebooting. And once it says rebooting, you're done. You don't have to wait for it to reboot. You hit finish, take your CronusMax, unplug it, and that's all you got to do. Now you just plug it into your PS4, and you have fun. Alright, we're going to go right back to the PS4, and I'm going to shoot another video showing you the quickscope mod, and I'm going to show you another video using the 200 percentage up on the secondary. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There will be more videos, and I will most definitely show you guys how to do quickscope mods on this, because that is just fucking awesome.